Welcome back to my channel! For today's video, gagawa tayo ng 3-minute makeup challenge. This 3-minute makeup challenge is good for mothers like me who are always on the go. As a mom of 3, I should learn how to put on my makeup the fastest way as I can. The quickest way. Quickie. Dahil nga, I have 3 kids, so kailangan laging mabilisan, laging on the go. So, on my previous content, inano ko, what's in my bag, mommy's version. Yan naman, what's in my makeup kit. Okay? And hindi naman ito yung main topic ko, pero papakita ko na rin sa inyo na laman ng makeup kit ko. Taran! Everything under the sea. Ayan. Nandito siya sa aking makeup kit. And yun nga, I have 2 types of liquid foundation. Okay, this one is my CC Cream, Mary Kay Primer. Tapos, I also have liquid foundation from Mary Kay. Yan. Then, of course, my lip tint. Yan. Lip and cheek tints. This is from BLK. And from Yo Lips. Yan. And from Mary Kay. Never mind. Kasi pinagdaruan siya nung anak ko. So, ayan. Sinurelate, guys, na hindi maiwasan every bagay mo sa makeup kit mo, sa bag mo nasisira, o every makeup mo may nasisira dahil yung mga anak mo pinaglalaruan nila. So, this one is my mascara. Yan. From Kiko. Mascara from Kiko Cosmetics. And then my compact powder from Vice Cosmetics. And then I have also my perfume on my makeup kit. Ayan, maliliit lang sila. These are my favorite scents from Victoria's Secret and from Dolce & Gabbana. So, paubos na siya, guys. Sad ako. Pero, hopefully, makabili ako kaagad. Ayun, meron pa akong lipstick yan. Marami pa. As in, marami pa, guys. Marami pang naman na chenes ang aking bag. Meron din akong ganito. Ayan, from Kiko also. Blush contour. For my blush contour and highlighter. So, meron din ako, guys, sa bag ko na thermometer at extra medicines. Medicines ng mga anak ko. Kasi if ever, in case, halimbawa, may masakit sa kanila, masakit ang ulo, masakit ang tiyan. Anyways, guys, mahaba na tayo, guys. So, let's start my 3-minute makeup challenge. Okay? For mommies on the go. So, our 3-minute makeup challenge. Okay, start, begin. Yung anak ko nga hawak na kanyang timer. Mary Kay. Liquid foundation. Okay, 1 minute and 17 seconds. Guys, ayan guys, 3 minutes done. Yan, ganyan ang aking makeup na bruha pang nanay. Okay ba guys? Okay lang ba? Well guys, ayan ang totoo. Yan ang totoong ako. Mabilisan guys. Promise, wala siyang halong keme, wala siyang halong etchos. Talagang, pag nag-makeup ako, lalo na pagkasama ko yung mga anak ko, ay na siya. Flip ng hair. Then, ready to go ang iyong mudra. Hindi ako magaling mag-makeup guys I'm not a perfect makeup artist. Talagang mga basic lang alam ko. Nakita nyo naman, foundation, blush on, and lipstick, kilay, and that's it. Ready na ang iyong mudra. Challenge guys. Thank you for watching guys. And to all mommies out there, please guys, don't forget to take care of ourselves also. Alam ko, mahal natin ang mga pamilya natin, alam natin ang mga anak natin, pero wag din natin kakalimutan, alagaan at ingatan ang ating mga sarili. Patulad yan, 3-minute makeup, hindi perfect guys, sobrang puti, sobrang pula, yung kilay ko hindi pantay. Pero guys, I'm still trying myself para maging presentable naman, maging maayos din naman kahit papano para sa paningin ng ibang tao. Hindi lang para sa paningin ng ibang tao, para sa sarili ko rin, di ba? So, yun, don't forget to love ourselves also, guys, and take care, yun lang. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys, and hope you like it. Peace out.